Hi there, welcome to the Tiny Prius Kitchen Appliance Reviews. Hi everyone, I just bought this adorable tiny mini skillet and I'm going to show it to you today. The skillet actually separates into two parts, and this is really awesome because you can cook something like an egg or a hamburger directly on the skillet. Or if you want to make something like a cup of hot chocolate or some soup, you can use this tiny little pan. And when you need to use the tiny little pan, all you have to do is put it on top and it'll cook just like that. Up until now, when I wanted to cook, I would use my collapsible pot, which is really nice. But it does have one feature that actually became a problem instead of being a feature. The collapsible pot is made of silicone, and when you extend it, it looks like this. There's an insert inside it so that you can steam, and a lid that goes right on top. The inside of the pot is stainless steel, so you could theoretically cook something on it. However, the pot has a feature that when starch collects on that plate, it'll actually shut itself off to prevent you from burning things. That means this pot is great for cooking soup, but it's not great for cooking pasta or even for heating milk, because that milk will start to burn a little bit on the bottom and the pot will shut itself off as soon as that happens, which means the milk never gets very hot. The mini skillet has a non-stick surface, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to boil milk in here without having any issues of it turning itself off. The mini skillet is really small. You can see it's about the size of a 2-cup Pyrex container. And I'm definitely not going to fault someone for wanting something bigger, but the advantage of having this skillet be so small is that it only uses 260 watts, which means that this Rockpals, which can give up to 300 watts of power at a time, is able to power it. As soon as you plug it in, this little blue light will go on, and when it has reached its heat, it'll turn itself off. It's only been on for about a minute and it already feels really hot. The little blue light hasn't turned off yet, but it's really hot, so I'm going to go ahead and put the milk in. Here it is with 8 ounces, and it's already about half or more than half full, so I wouldn't put more than maybe 10 ounces into this pot. I'm going to cover it and time it and see how long it takes to boil. I've set my timer for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and the milk isn't boiling yet. It's been 4 minutes now and I'm just starting to see bubbling. So for a full boil, it'll probably be closer to 5 minutes. So here it is, full boil after 5 minutes, which is not bad at all. It's about the same as my 300-watt kettle. And now I can make a really awesome Mexican hot chocolate. Thanks for watching and happy travels.